Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've just performed a factory reset on your Huawei phone and now find yourself stuck on the Google account verification screen, you're dealing with a security feature known as Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This lock is designed to prevent unauthorized use by requiring the previous Google account credentials. But it can be incredibly frustrating if you've forgotten your login details or purchased a second-hand device that's still linked to the original owner. In this video, I'm going to show you two effective methods to bypass FRP on your Huawei phone and regain full access to your device. Let's dive in. The first method is to recover the Google account that was previously signed in on your Huawei phone. This is the simplest approach if you still remember your email address or username, but can't recall the password. Using a separate phone or computer, open your browser and go to google.com. Attempt to sign in with the Google account that was previously used on your Huawei device. When the password screen appears, click on the Forgot Password option. Google will then guide you through the account recovery process. You may be asked to verify your identity using a linked recovery phone number or backup email address that was previously associated with the account. Once you've successfully created a new password, return to your Huawei phone and enter the updated credentials on the Google verification screen to continue with the setup process. However, if you don't remember the Google account email address, no longer have access to your recovery options, or simply can't verify your identity, this method won't work for you. That's where the second method comes in. The second and most reliable solution is to use PassFab Android Unlock. This professional software is specifically designed to bypass Google FRP on nearly all Android devices, including Huawei phones, without requiring any previous credentials. First, download and install PassFab Android Unlock on your computer using the link provided in the video description below. Once installed, launch the program and you'll arrive at the main interface. From the main menu, select the Remove Google Lock (FRP) option. Next, choose Huawei as your device brand from the list. You'll then need to select the correct Android version running on your phone. Once you've made your selections, click the Remove Now button. Now, connect your Huawei phone to the computer using a reliable USB cable. As soon as the software detects your device, it will automatically begin the FRP removal process. During this procedure, your Huawei phone may restart several times. This is completely normal, so just let the tool do its work and avoid disconnecting the device until the process is finished. PassFab Android Unlock supports Huawei devices and works with most Android versions, making it a versatile solution for this frustrating problem. Once the process is complete and your phone reboots to the welcome screen, you'll notice that the Google account verification step is completely gone. You can now tap Skip on the Google sign-in page and continue setting up your phone as a brand new device. Within moments, you'll be taken straight to your home screen with full access restored. If this tutorial helped you get back into your phone, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more straightforward tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.